Are you wondering how to hyperlink in Smartsheet? Well, today I'm going to show you all of the different ways to do so, whether you're in a sheet or on a dashboard. So what I've done here is I've just created a brand new workspace called hyperlinking for this demo. I've created a blank sheet and a blank dashboard as well, and I've also created a blank second sheet, which is what we're going to be hyperlinking to. So let's open up the sheet. So this is probably more than likely where you're looking to set up your hyperlink. So let's say we wanted the hyperlink in column 2, row 2. So first select that cell, then you want to right click on your mouse, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see hyperlink. Left click that. Now here you have two different options. So here you can enter a URL, which would be, any URL on the internet, could be off of Smartsheet. So let's say it's google.com, for instance. So what you want to do here is you want to put in the full URL. So you'd want to put in the the HTTPS or www. Just consider that so that the link actually works. The second option is link to other Smartsheets. So this is within the platform itself. So select, what you want to do here is click select sheet. Now what you would be doing here is, well, you wherever you want the hyperlink to go to, and in the purpose of this demo, it is this second sheet. So press OK. Now the display text, you see that has all populated automatically. That's basically going to be the text that appears in this cell here. So we're going to leave it as that because that kind of works for us, but you could put anything here. You could put click here, you could put go there, etc. Those kind of things. Press OK. And we have the second sheet to hyperlink to. So I'm going to save this first. If I click this now, it will take us to that second sheet. And what you could then do here, for instance, is you could set a hyperlink that takes you back to that original sheet. So it's a great way of moving in between your sheets. But that is really how to set up a hyperlink within the grid interface and grid functionality of Smartsheet. The second place you might want to add a hyperlink is within a dashboard. So I've again created a blank dashboard from scratch, and all you need to do in a dashboard is add a new widget. And the widget type you're looking for is called shortcut. Now if you click that, you then basically, this is blank for now, all you need to do is click the add shortcut button on the right hand side, and you should get three different options this time. The first is website, so that would be if you want to link to an external website, or as our example earlier was Google. You can add a shortcut to an attachment, so that could be an image or something like that. And Smartsheet item, which I'm going to show you now, that will be one of the sheets, reports, or anything else you want to link to. So that would be the original sheet in this example. I'm going to press OK, and here we have the link. If I save, obviously you can edit all of this widget to make it look really, really nice. You can change the formatting, how it appears. You can change the title if you wanted to remove the title. You've got those options on a dashboard, but for the purpose of this demo, I just want to show you how it works, the theory behind it. This is the link. If I click this, it will take us through to the original page where we set up our first hyperlink. So that is how to add and create hyperlinks in Smartsheet. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel too. If you head over to my channel, you'll find a lot of different videos on Smartsheet. I've got over 35 now, I believe, at time of speaking. So you can go through those and learn about Smartsheet. And if you are interested in getting on a course, I've created a course all around Smartsheet on how you can kind of build your proficiency on it. So that I'll drop that link in the description down below as well too. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.